In this video, we're going to take a very quick look at random. So to generate a random number in Python, which is useful for all sorts of things, games and projects and encryption and decryption and all sorts of things, you would need to import the random module. And then you simply, from that module, would call the function or the method randint. And it takes as an argument the starting number and the ending number. And in this situation with this function, there's no off by 1. So if I wanted to generate a random number between 1 and 10, I would just pass in my starting value 1 and my ending value 10. And then I could print the number. So if we do this, look, I'll hit F5 and run it. Okay, it was a 4. I'll run it again. It was an 8. I'll run it again. It was a 5. I'll run it again. And it was a 7. So just a way of getting random numbers, which we'll use for all sorts of useful projects and fun things to do with Python. Thanks for watching.